Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we will go through how to install Razer Synapse 4. So first thing first you need to do is go to the official website of Razer.com. After you are here, click here on PC and down here you will see a software. Hover over or click it like that. And here you will see Razer Synapse. Click on that and you will see Razer Synapse number 4 Advanced Device Control, and down here you will see for Mac, Windows, or you can also download some beta versions. So if you have Windows, click on that and this will start the downloading thing. When it's all complete, click on that and it will open up installation process, as you can see. And from here we will go. Okay, so now we click continue and we are in. So now we are in Razer Synapse 4. Now we can install it and you just follow these procedures and you will be ready to go to use Razer Synapse. So I hope this video was helpful how to install it. If you found out this video helpful, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.